Hello, I am very happy. We just had the student maids come over, so I think they're leaving right now. Yeah, you can't see them, their car's out there. But they just came in and totally just cleaned up this kitchen. It looks so nice. I've got to put away stuff, but I mean, all the counters and stuff are all clean. It's so awesome. So super excited. That was easy. It really saved me a lot of time. And yeah, I'm just really enjoying this. So we'll definitely use them again. In the past, I've used Pristine Clean in town just because they have like chemical free type of sprays and whatever, pumice stones, more natural. But totally student maids, did everything I asked and more. They even helped clean other areas we weren't planning on because they still had time. They also use my own vacuum, which I like. Kind of weird about that. I want my own vacuum. And then they use mostly vinegar and water solutions, maybe just some comment in the toilet bowls. And so they really did an awesome job. Just, it's so clean. I'm just like, oh my gosh, look at all this clean floor. I love it. Clean floor. Anyways, so super excited. We're gonna be ready for Owen's party soon, and I don't have to clean anymore. Well, I gotta do laundry. Laundry's never done. All right, so definitely hire a cleaning crew. Most of them can go ahead and let you know if they can accommodate your request, whether it's more natural cleaning products, whether it's your own vacuum. And then they can give you a quote, which is nice. Most of them are doing cards or checks. And then I usually will tip them as well, especially when they've done a really nice job really quickly. And I like the 2-person team just because I feel like you don't have to commit as much time and it gets done a lot faster. I'm excited. Okay, I'm going outside. Bye.